Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert table in Microsoft Word document. So let's started. At first open your Word document file. Firstly, then I show that Word document in this video. Then I will show that insert table. Now going to the insert menu option. Then click on the table option. Now click on the insert table option. Then show the insert table option. Now show that number of table columns and number of row. Then your needs is the column. Now click for the OK. That's it. Then show the insert table in Microsoft Word document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.